Okay, so the tide is ebbing, going out, so we're riding with the tide. The ocean is in front of us, so the tide's going through this bridge, and then we'll go through the railroad bridge right immediately after it. So we're on Channel 9 on the radio. When we get out of the bridge, we'll call and thank Roosevelt Bridge for opening for us, and that we're clear the draw. Except for the rain, it's pretty calm. Can you see how the railroad draw is more narrow than the car? If you need more steerage, give yourself a couple of hundred RPMs.
Roosevelt Bridge, eastbound clear, 24.
You're welcome, Captain.
That was painless. It's a Florida East Coast Railroad bridge through Stuart. Now there's a tricky part.
Yeah, there's a green marker right ahead.
Caution, caution, Roosevelt Bridge fans are now lowered.
Okay, you can press the red button and go back to 16. Straight ahead is a green marker. Keep that on your starboard.
Go straight.
And go straight. And if you look on the chart, to the right of that green marker is a big sandbar that's about 3 feet deep. We do not want to go over there.
Where's the red marker?
There is none.
So we're going straight that way, or we're going that way?
We're going straight for a few minutes, and then we'll turn left into that marina called Harbor Ridge Marina.